couldn't imagine what low does. What low in the rear end does.
Oh, yeah.
It's got to be crazy.
First brakes before it goes switch into the rear end. Hit brakes.
Yeah, I was thinking first, second, third, and then third over, and then fourth and fourth over, but it's already so low. It's a little over 40 miles, huh?
Oh, there's the front bumper.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was laying underneath the truck. It's in pretty good shape, other than somebody hooked to it. It's a bunch of windows. Pretty cool.
Yeah, big ones.
Yeah, those ones are huge. I went to move them last night and realized how big they were. They're like 4.0, 5.0, I think. Yeah, it's not Sunday and raining, but a beer and a small black Chevy. Yeah, very cool. I can't believe 40 miles and those tires didn't smooth out. That is a mind blower for as slow as we were going for so long. Nice moon. Aries full moon.